Hi, welcome to PG Code Designs, where we show you easy and simple design ideas for beginners. Today we're going to be working on this Father's Day collection. I will link the collection down in the description box down below. So feel free to take a look at that. There's different collections here. It's a photo collage, a 3-photo collage collection. You've got Promoted to Dad, you've got Dad Established, and you've got Best Dad Ever. So it's a really sweet, simple design idea that you can even do with your kids. You can get the kids together, get some sweet photos of Dad and or Granddad, and work on this design together. So we also have some free templates that you can take advantage of. So if you click down in the description box below, you will be able to access those free templates. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content and would like to see more. So to work on this design, you will need to open a free Zazzle account. It's very simple to do with an email address, so you can go ahead and do that. Today, we're going to be working on this t-shirt. So you will just need 3 photos of Dad, like I said, to work on this t-shirt. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's very simple to do. You just go ahead and go to the section where it says personalize this template. You click the details, and let's just say you want to change up this message. We love you, Dad. You are amazing. And then let's just say you can put your names here. Okay, and you see that it changes immediately there on the screen. So this is great because it's just this instant design customization that you see here. And then you're going to change and upload your photos. So let's go in here. So I'm going to use these 3 photos that I have here. And you can upload your photos to your own album here. You see that just changed instantly. And then we're going to go here for the second photo. And then we're going to change in the 3rd photo. And here you see you've got a really nice design that's custom and personalized that I'm sure Dad will love. Now, I do like this basic black, but let's just say you wanted another style. I kind of like the more fitted look, so the American Apparel t-shirt is great for that. So you have that, and then you can play around with the colors. If you like different colors, let's just say you liked maybe a gray, you can take a look at that, and then you can take a look and get a real life model view to see how your design looks. So that's great. So now you've finished your shirt, and there you go. So you can do that with any of the items, as I said, in that collection. And it's a really good way to get started with the design, and it's a good way to kind of DIY your gift with your kids for Father's Day, or even a birthday or a holiday gift. So have a look at that collection. In the next video, I will show you some other ideas for Father's Day. We also have this beautiful monogram, really elegant monogram collection that's really popular. And this is a really simple design to do if you don't want something that has a photo base to it. So if you're just looking for a text-based design, this is a really good one to start working on. Lots of different aspects in this collection. I'll also link that in the description box below. So I will show you how to do that in another video. And then we've got this also Dad Established collection, which is a similar t-shirt design, but it's a text-based design, and it's definitely like a more modern, sleek sort of look. So if you like that look, I can show you that in another video as well. So yeah, for now, don't forget to subscribe if you like this content, and thank you so much for watching.